Hello, friends. My name is Bailey, and I'm the AI spokeswoman for hōmhub. Let's start this video by being honest with ourselves. Consumers and their needs are evolving faster than the real estate industry is willing to adapt. And traditional MLS platforms limit realtors to posting standard listings like properties for sale or long-term rentals. But what about short-term rentals, room rentals, wholesale deals, and other types of properties that don't fit into the MLS box? These are real opportunities. And as the real estate industry continues to evolve, who can afford not to have every advantage and opportunity at their disposal to increase their bottom line? And they're happening outside the MLS every single day. That's exactly why we created hōmhub, a peer-to-peer AI-powered property-agnostic platform designed to democratize the MLS and its limited access. We empower everyone, including realtors, to buy, rent, and sell property without unnecessary barriers. The truth is, most consumers still want to work with a realtor to guide them through their real estate journey. But what happens when the property they want to list can't be posted on the MLS? Your current options aren't great. Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and a patchwork of for sale by owner sites that lack structure, trust, and reach. hōmhub changes all of that. We give real estate agents a comprehensive AI-powered platform that feels like the MLS, but with more control, more options, and more opportunities. Realtors can post properties on hōmhub for free, including room rentals, short-term rentals, wholesale deals, and more. This means you can unlock new streams of revenue by serving clients the MLS doesn't fully support, and position yourself ahead of where the industry is going, not behind it. At hōmhub, we don't replace realtors. We empower them to do more. So, welcome to hōmhub, the smarter way to grow your real estate business.
hōmhub!